Welcome to Oakfarm Kisumu campus, where education meets innovation. In collaboration with the nonprofit OUA, we are building tomorrow's leaders in East Africa. Our mission is to empower students with skill-based courses tailored to today's job market. We offer practical training in diverse fields like STEM business and media. Dive into the future with courses on artificial intelligence and renewable energy. Learn the art of fashion and shoe design from industry experts. Explore the intricacies of electrical systems and plumbing. Experience the world of automotive interior and computer design firsthand. Our customer care training shapes professionals ready to excel. At Oakfarm, hands-on experience is at the heart of our teaching philosophy. Our programs are designed for both students and teachers to thrive. Real-world applications are woven into our curriculum for impactful learning. Located in the vibrant city of Kisumu, we're more than just an institution. We are a catalyst for change and innovation in education and beyond. By supporting us, you are enhancing education across East Africa. Join us in fostering economic growth and sustainable development. We're nurturing a community of thinkers, creators, and leaders. This is not just education, it's a journey towards transformation. Be part of a pioneering initiative that is shaping the future. Oakfarm Kisumu campus is where dreams meet opportunities and become reality.